What's up, people? This is Dara. This is gonna be our first video and our announcement that we're gonna do a project car on this Land Cruiser, and this is my cousin Bully right here.
Hello.
Yo, so 1996, right?
Yeah, 96,
Yeah.
4.5 liter.
Yep.
I6.
Yep, inline six. Yeah.
Haven't been drove, haven't been touched, haven't been outside for almost 2-3 years,
Mhm.
and haven't driven anywhere for 8 years. So right now, the first thing in the schedule is to get the tires fixed.
Yep.
So that's flat. Right here is from an accident.
Yeah.
A couple years, probably like 10 years ago. So we're gonna get that fixed later on in the next, probably a few more YouTube channel videos.
Yeah.
And here's our storage. So
Yeah. We gotta
Auto
clean
jump.
it out.
auto junk that I had and my family had, we just throw it in there. Then right now we're trying to get everything out to find was it not the lifting?
Oh, the jack.
The jack, yeah.
Gotta find the jack
So you can see
inside the car.
Amazon. Wires. No, this is where one of the lift jack right there. So yeah, it still works. So that's still good. So that's one of the that comes with the car.
Yep.
So that's pretty cool. It still works. So we probably use that. Some stuff right here too.
Yep.
So
Alright.
we did enough thing before we did that. So
Mhm.
all spider webs.
Yeah.
It's all right.
This Land Cruiser was over there in that spot right there. We moved it, cleaned it up a little bit on the outside.
So you see, look at this. This is from 2018. So it was in here in the car for like 3 years.
Hey.
Crazy, right?
Yep. Not that bad. And we plan to strip everything inside. Get rid of the seats and all that. Do some off-road mods. That's what we plan to do.
I think it'll take it out.
Yeah. Hopefully, yeah, should be able to. Yep. A lot of strip
Little
this.
Call of Duty PS4. I was looking for that.
Yeah, I think it's. You may need to unscrew these right here. We have that drill thing, so we can do that later. Yeah.
Look how clean it is. Look.
Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna go get it right now. I'm gonna go get it right now. All right, got the Milwaukee tool here.
Got all the junk from in the car. So
Yep.
I tell you, you recording?
Yeah.
So we move, it fits storage.
Mhm.
Look.
Right.
Oh dang.
Yeah.
Yep, got it.
Can these even fit?
Came up?
Yep. Oh. So take it yet.
Right here, right? Not bad, man. Not bad, right?
Yep.
About there. Oh. Look at that. Easy. They didn't make it easy. They know people want to take it out, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Can you lift this up now?
Oh,
Yep.
that's easy.
Nice.
We put up. Put right here. Put that up.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Carpet. One more right there. Right there.
Oh, it's a bolt.
You got it?
Yeah.
What? Got it?
Yep. I got it here. Where's the tools in? All right. Here. Let me try 15, 14. See if that fits.
Got it?
Yeah, I just try to see if it fit. All right. So 14. Oh.
Loud.
Yeah. Alright, got that out.
done, right?
Ooh.
That's nice.
Gotta strip all this. What is this?
What is it?
It's like a ground wire. It's in
What?
something. I don't know. Spider right there.
You know, I think it's probably for like speakers or amps. Or something.
Oh yeah, could be.
So it looks. Put this one down, right? I mean, spiders are my fault.
It's alright.
All right. Ready?
Yep. Come from the. Yep.
Little tool right here. Oh, we got another toolbox. See what's in there.
Mhm.
What's in there? Nothing? Oh, nothing. Yeah, so my dog somewhere in the back. See the OG. The OG, where are you?
Right there.
She having too much fun in the Land Cruiser. She actually bites the seatbelt out.
Yeah, we gotta replace all
The
that.
front and the passenger. So, look good? It's a spider web, huh?
Yeah, it looks pretty cool. You just clean it, but we ain't gonna use it anyway, so.
So you might steal this on eBay or Craigslist. $100 each.
Mhm.
Back.
Mhm.
Woo!
So we cleaned it all out. Should we move it up and then?
Remember the don't have a battery, remember?
Yeah. Yeah, it had no battery, so we had to take it out from another car and put it in.
Yeah. I started.
Yep, start it up. Open the hood first, though. Open the hood. Alright, taking a look in the hood. Inline 6. Yep. Alright.
97,000. Under 200 racks, so. Hello. What do you think? Good?
Listen to that
Still
sound.
nice, right? No leak. Show the bottom. No leak.
Yep, no
No
leak.
leak.
Oh, I see a little bit right there.
Probably water, huh? Not bad.
Yeah.
Probably water.
Yeah.
You can remember when I just started? This price just came out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, probably something.
Probably need to check that out. Move this out the way. Yeah. Yep. Mhm. Pretty good.
Basically, person came over and hit this 2012 and then messed up the bumper, but
Yeah.
glad that and they changed it because this new stuff that I've seen on like for the Land Cruiser, so we're gonna get one of them thing reversed for the tires in the back with a real metal plate. So we're gonna remove that and of course change the fender.
Yep.
So that's why I care less about this because it'll be all removed. We get a better fender and then after you get the suspension stuff like that. So we're gonna go close one by one. So yeah, so our first thing task today, change the tire. So we took the wood that need to be
Yep.
the flat wheel. So we're gonna see what kind of rotors we need. Brakes is done. You see, there's no brakes, right? But it's drivable, but it's no brakes, right? So we're gonna change the rotors, the brake kit, all that.
Yeah, we had some issue taking it out because one of the lug nuts was in the reverse.
Somebody
So yeah.
put it this way, but somebody put it that way, so it's so hard for us to take it out. So we got it out.
Yeah.
All good looking, right?
Yep. It's nice. Name of the engine. 1FZ FE 4.5 and 9.6.
No mouse, rat, bite, nothing. So you see all the wires still working.
Yep. Surprisingly.
Yep.
We're gonna load this up, put some air in it.
Yeah. I'm gonna shoot him.
And then
we're gonna drive it around one block.
Yeah. All right, we're here. Got the tire. About to fill it
back
up.
around and go get the.
Yeah. Oh.
Let me bounce a little bit. Let me pick it up from the other way. Now, do. Put more. It works, right? So I think 40 is good. What was it now? 40. Okay, we're good. So the gas station is full now. So let's see how strong if it'll carry me. It's working. So it's good. Let's go. It's heavy. Let's go.
All right, we back. Yeah, so we're gonna put this back on there. Nephew. Alright, so we got the tire on. About to drive around the block, see how it goes.
Ready?
Yep.
So yeah, we got the no flat, just a little bit. So we're gonna drive it out, make sure we're free. Remember, it's on register, so we gotta do it quick.
No. Sounds good. Yep. Oh, no seatbelt.
No seatbelt, so we're legally do hella shit.
Yeah.
Ready?
Gotta fix all this, yep.
So it goes, you see it? See the noise? That's the rotors.
Yeah.
So the rotors are messed up, but we're gonna replace it with the brakes. It still works, everything still works. So we're gonna drive it around a little bit. The turning wheel, so this car is hella big. It's like a bus. See it?
Yeah, I think it's because the rotors are rusty, so
yeah. But it still goes out and do. See it?
Yeah.
I go around a few rounds. See it? So the power steering is still good. We're gonna change that too. Yeah, it's like a boat that heck of big. See it?
Yeah.
Smash. So the engine's still good, right?
Yeah. Are you braking or was that?
I'm not braking. I'm not. If I don't step on the pedal, that's what happened.
Yeah.
See? But I'm braking right now. Brake is still, I mean, it's damaged, but
yeah.
it's just that noise. That's it.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep. Try to figure it out.
So if I let it go, you see if I let the gas go, it make that noise.
Okay.
No, but probably gotta change how the liquid too.
Yeah.
Liquid stuff.
Probably gonna change the differential oil just to make sure.
This car didn't die, right?
Yeah.
Drive like a full block and go around again and go back inside. We gotta fix these two numbers.
Yeah.
That's easy. Well, I'm kind of happy. At least it's driving, right?
Yep.
At least it's drivable. It didn't die on us. Hey guys, check us out next episode. So we change the tires, clean up the car, drive around the block a little bit, So, you know, make sure to subscribe to the page. There's gonna be more update on the Land Cruiser. All right, this bully that's down behind the scene, behind the camera. Yeah, someone's parking. Damn, can I park it?
All right, so we're done inspecting the Land Cruiser. Right, pretty cool. Has some noise. Don't know what it is yet.
So basically, when I gas it, it's fine, but when I let it go, it make that. So it might be two things. The rotors are
The differentials.
yeah, fluid or something.
Change the
We'll figure it out.
differential
Whatever
oil.
it is, it's part of the project. So more project, more videos. So
Yeah,
just
camera.
one by one. All right.
Yeah.
Peace.
And then the next episode we're going to Yosemite. You know, some travel stuff.
Yep. But it's
So-
Subaru though, not with this.
Yeah, not with this though. With the Subaru.
Yeah.
All right then. See you guys later.
Thank you.